elegance, luxury, ownership. Picture yourself waking up to a beautiful sunrise in the Costa Rican tropics. Board a luxury yacht and embark on a thrilling billfish adventure on the calm waters of the Pacific Ocean. This is paradise. This is Los Suenos. Make your home away from home in Latin America's 1,100-acre premier residential master plan destination resort community. Enjoy the Los Suenos lifestyle from the comfort of a luxurious single-family villa or a gorgeous condominium. You'll be amazed at the superior architectural designs, lush landscapes, breathtaking views, and superior finishes. 24-hour guard-gated security provides around-the-clock comfort. The master plan offers other amenities, including its on-site 201-room Marriott Hotel and an 18-hole championship golf course, which navigates alongside a 600-acre private rainforest reserve and ends along the coastline. The Los Suenos Marina Village is steps away from any residence and is at the heart of the resort, providing all the services of a small city. With 6 unique dining venues to choose from, the Los Suenos gastronomical experience is sure to please any palate. Los Suenos, Costa Rica's first full-service international marina, offers 200 wet slips and 100 dry slips, and is the gateway to the world's best bill fishing waters year-round.
Bought a house here in 2001. I've been here ever since. Fished them all ever since the first one. Fished the marlin tournament last year. Best fishing in the world. Well, you want to go anywhere else? Yeah. Look at this place.
Los Suenos is an inspiring destination. However, it is much more than a resort. It is a meeting place of friends and neighbors. Join us